Shoo? Which levels nah? Person go graduate for school, you know go gree see work. Even person wey go dey learn work sef, by the time when you do in freedom, you know go see money wey go take buy instruments. Wetin I go do? And if I say make I jano, I no go gree give person visa. My name is Jack, and I do everything for a living.
What is the meaning of this? Who packed this rubbish here?
Oh, young man, I'm sorry. My car just had the fault and I've spoken with my mechanic. He's on its way right now.
You even called me a young man. What is your problem? That is my problem with Nigerians. You speak too much English. You have just caused... What if I was coming with my car?
I just said that I'm sorry. You have enough space to go through. Please, pick one. I have enough headaches already. Please.
You are telling me you have your own headache. This early morning, you block the road. When people are supposed to go to work, you are blocked the road. What is your problem? Do you know who I am?
What the hell are you?
You're asking me? Me, Jack. You're asking me who I am?
Who's Jack?
What is wrong with you, this man?
Don't touch me. I beg you, in the name of God, do not touch me.
And if I touch you, what will happen? I touch you.
Okay, you want to do this? I touch you too.
I touch you.
Seriously?
Yes.
I touch you.
I touch you.
Apparently, you don't have anywhere to go. We'll continue
I
this.
touch you.
I touch you.
I touch you.
When you're tired,
See, look, I touch you. I touch you plenty times. Oh, yes. You are the one that said to me not to prosper in Lagos. It will not work. You are a devil. Devil in white. Look at you. Devil in white. It will not work. I touch you plenty times. I touch you plenty times.
Who is this man? Wow. Crazy.
I'm very glad you have me here today, sir. Well, once again, I am deeply sorry I came very late.
Oh, Jack. Don't say that. You know, what impressed me so much is the passion that you have for this job.
I'm a young man, sir. What do you expect?
Young man like you. Man, I like that.
Thank you, sir.
I like that idea.
Yeah.
But the little challenge we have right now is I'm not the only one running this place, okay?
Okay.
I have a partner, but that shouldn't be a problem. It's a done deal. From me.
I'm happy to hear this. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Very
You're
much.
welcome. You're welcome.
Who do we have here?
My partner.
Wow, after all, it's a small world. Mr. Tuchai.
My name is Jack, and I do everything for a living.